Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. There's a ton of parts down here at the shop, and don't mind the burnout truck over there with the perfectly straight body and the primer, getting ready to have some new paint put on it. But that's all part of the reveal video, which is coming out to you next week. But today I want to go over all of the parts that we've got in. Now, these are all parts that I originally was going to wait till the reveal video and go over all of them, but I'm impatient and I'm not good at keeping secrets, so we might as well go ahead and go over everything that's come in for the burnout truck that you're going to see put on the truck during the reveal video. And what I'm going to do is, for all the stuff you want to see how it gets put on, we're going to film videos of us putting these parts on, and you're going to see those videos after the reveal. So that way, if you have any questions on how to do it, wait till after the reveal. The videos will come out and you'll see how. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we might as well just jump right to it, because the reason you clicked on a video and the reason you're watching is you want to see the Nitrous Express bottle, and I'm not going to make y'all wait for it. We're going to pull it out. So yes, we're going to do nitrous on the burnout truck. No, I'm not sorry for what I've done. 10-pound Nitrous Express bottle, and what we've done here is just bought their regular old universal kit. So I think, what do they call it, the Proton Plus kit or whatever it is. It's not the most expensive kit. I mean, it's only like $400, so I think that's pretty good for a full out nitrous kit with everything you need to rock. Oh, holy crap, this ain't nothing. Wait till you see the horsepower adder we got up in here. Oh yeah, boy, the Nitrous Express license plate frame. Yep, maybe 10 horsepower. This is where your 100 horsepower comes from right there. If you don't put that on, you ain't getting the horsepower. Oh, 10 horsepower, a sticker, baby. Woo! I love stickers. All right, so the kit is pretty simple, and of course we're gonna have a full install on it. It is a dry or wet shot system. I mean, you got it where you can hook the fuel line in, or if you wanted to, you can run it dry. So we've got everything we need here to do it. Of course, we got our bottle, and thankfully we're lucky enough to have somewhere local that fills nitrous bottles. So that's going to be easy for us to get filled and installed, and I can't wait to use it. But that's going to be another video and another day. So let's start getting into all the other stuff we've got here. All right, so in this little box, big things, great things come in little packages, is the MaxTrack drop shackles. So some of you guys have hit me up and asked if I was doing it. Of course I'm going to do it. The burnout truck sits significantly higher in the rear than it does in the front, and this is our 2-inch drop shackle. So we'll be able to drop the burnout truck down 2 inches, so it'll sit pretty close to level and won't have that crazy looking truck rake anymore on the burnout truck. So super excited for that. And keep in mind, there's some stuff that you're not seeing in today's video that are going to be a part of a surprise and the reveal video. Not everything is going to be shown in this video. There's even more that you're going to see in the reveal video, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and move on to the jegs box. Inside of the jegs box is actually, well, it may not be the most super exciting thing, but it's good for me because the seat is exceedingly uncomfortable. And believe it or not, you could still get covers for them. They're actually older seats. I bought them used, and Jegs still makes seat covers for them. So I got us a seat cover for it. It's got a little bit of padding in it, so I won't be sitting on hard plastic anymore, and it's actually pretty nice. So that's not like a big performance part. That's just something for me. So moving that to the side, and I'm sorry if I'm kind of rolling through them here. We've got a lot to get through, and I don't want to sit here for 20 minutes on a video talking about it. In this box is obviously a steel roll pan, as it says on the box. So this is our roll pan, as promised. I went and bought a roll pan because, you know, we eliminated the rear bumper, and we have no use for a tow hitch or a step bumper or anything like that. So we got a roll pan. So I don't want to completely unwrap it because I want it to stay protected, but there you go. So this actually would sit up on the bumper like that, and it's got its license plate cut out there for it, so you can put your license plate in it, and that's where we'll put our nice Nitrous Express 100 horsepower license plate frame. Will be around the rear license plate, so that's got to get painted with the truck when we go to do it. So since we've done the roll pan, I think it's only fair that we move to the biggest box of all, which if you can tell by the shape of that, it's pretty obvious what that is. So as you guys know, we converted the BurnoutTruck from a round body to a Cateye. So with that, we had to put fenders and hood and grill, which might as well go ahead and show it. Here's a Cateye grill, which same story as the roll pan. I'm gonna paint all the gray, the color that we're gonna be painting the BurnoutTruck. And I'm gonna leave the chrome up here because the next item we're gonna get to is chrome. And you know, I think it would just go better if I left the chrome alone. But we needed a front bumper as well, so we could be with the Cateye. We still have to get mounts for it, which we're getting here tomorrow. But I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys the front bumper we got. I think there's ones that I had it. Well, we might be able to see the bumper once we get the 5 million miles of tape and cardboard and freaking bubble wrap off of it. But you see now why I said we were going to keep the chrome on the grill, because we did chrome on the bumper. Good Lord, man, they got this thing taped up like you wouldn't believe it. There certainly can't be no scratches on it, not with the way they had this thing taped up. I'll tell you what. There it is. So here is the new Cateye front bumper for it. And I'm kind of jealous because it's so new and so perfect, and the actual Cateyes is not so new and so perfect. I want to put this one on the Cateye. I'm going to leave it chrome. Like I said, I'm going to leave the grill chrome, the bumper chrome. The back bumper will be painted to match. So not too much chrome. I didn't necessarily want chrome on it, but I think it's actually going to break it up pretty good, because there can be such thing as too much black. There really can be. So I guess I want to perceive the truck as a nice truck. Even though we are building it to, you know, do burnouts and be hard on and stuff like that, I still want it to look halfway decent, because it is a representation of what we do here on the channel, which is more than just build a clapped out truck and go do burnouts. So we want it to look nice as well. So that's why I went ahead and got a nice new bumper. And believe it or not, I couldn't find a used one. We just had to go with a new one. So that's about it for as far as the parts that we've gotten for the truck. And like I said, there is even more parts in the shop behind the tarp over there that you're just gonna have to wait to the reveal video to see. There is still a tremendous amount of work to be done, and I guess in hindsight, maybe it's a good idea that Cletus and Cars Bradenton was postponed, even though it was disappointing because we were so ready for it to be April 4th. You know, now that it's May 30th, it gives us 2 extra months to get the BurnoutTruck right and do it exactly how we want to do it, which is a good thing, because we still have a lot of parts to do, and at least we won't be killing ourselves to get it all done. There's still a lot. I mean, we have to get the cosmetic stuff put in there for the reveal video still, so we still have a lot of work to do over the next few days. And then like the harness bar, you know, that's got to get installed and stuff like that. There's a lot to do on the BurnoutTruck still, and it's a good thing that we're not down till basically we'd be down to a week and a half if they wouldn't have moved Cletus and Cars. So when you think about it like that, it's a really good thing that they bumped it back, because we were going to be cutting it close for sure. So there's your unboxing video. Like I said, the bigger stuff is going to have an install video, like the roll pan, the drop shackles, the nitrous kit, stuff like that is all going to have a install video later on. So if you got any questions, you're going to be able to watch the video and find out there. Stay tuned for the BurnoutTruck reveal, and also a big, I don't know if I call it a reveal or a big change here on the channel. Something that we're excited about and I'm nervous about. And we think that it's a good move for this channel, and it's the right thing to do to keep moving forward and to keep growing here on YouTube with the channel and everything else we do. So definitely stay tuned to that. That'll be coming sooner rather than later. But I appreciate you guys watching. Drop any comments you got down below. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. Take care. Have a great day.